right, on our way to the wreck shop. We're getting this thing power washed real quick at the freaking car wash. There's Clint Deasy. What's up, man? How you doing? He's possibly gonna get his car wrapped over there at the shop. So I didn't have to do this, but the owner of Mad Wraps asked me to do it. So we are getting this car power washed for right now, and we're gonna take it to him. It was just a little dusty. It wasn't dirty. I always detail the car. So right after this, we're gonna head down there and we're gonna see what's happening. I'm not gonna tell you what the wrap is yet. I want you guys to see, but man, it is a mother freaking dude. It is a dope ass wrap, man. It's super sick, and we got a little surprise over there. Brian, the owner, is sponsoring us, so you know, we'll see how that turns out. We get to go to all the race wars and all the events with him. He's always a vendor at car shows, and he always takes his Viper. He has a Range Rover, a Hellcat truck. So this ought to be fun. This ought to be a good networking with this guy. So I will see you at the shop. Welcome to Mad Wraps, baby. So I just want to start this by saying chrome is not for everybody. but I have been wanting this color for 4 years now. Man, as soon as I saw the color, I was just like mesmerized, hypnotized by the color shifting. It's not only the color shift, but it's also chrome. You know what I mean? And I'm a big fan of chrome. I love chrome. I love reflected things. That's why mirror black has been my favorite color in all my choices for all of my cars. So that being said, this is the best of both worlds. I got the chrome and I got the chrome chameleon, but like I said, it's shiny as hell, it's bright as hell. It's not for everybody. There is gonna be a lot of haters, which I'm used to, but then there's gonna be a lot of freaking fans and people that love it, like me, you know what I mean? You might see me on the street and be like, man, why you got all that shiny shit on? Well, hey man, to each his own. That's just my style. So this is what I chose. It's the color that I've been wanting forever. Let's see if Brian from Mad Raps can make my dreams come true. All right, guys, just hopping out of the beast. Day 2 wide body mock-up on the Hellcat. So we got it all mocked up. Now we're gonna lower it down, take off the fenders, and we're gonna start making measurements and cuts on this fender, outside of course, so we don't mess up this clean, beautiful shop here. So let's get to it. All right, here's what we're looking like now. Got the stock wheels back on it. Mocked up the wide body. Everything's looking good. There we go. Now we are going to get it outside.
Pretty skeptical, I would say. And just the way he talks to him, you can just tell.
We're gonna pop these fenders off. Get this fender off here and go to the outside world. Oh, look at that thing. How you doing, baby? All right, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's do it. I might need a flathead, brother.
Yeah, it's even probably beginning of November. So the Bad Boys Garage and Saturn.
Oh yeah. What about this bottom guy? Yeah, probably a flathead would be some help. Yeah, I need a flathead. Yeah.
It's going here on the side. You always go back. It's a beauty of rat. You always go back.
Alright, man, this one, what did we put the whole thing in? No. Yeah. That's what it looks like underneath. Okay, go ahead. Voila! Bottom holding on to it?
No, remember to six into it.
Woo! We're in the money, baby. All right.
giver.